Welcome back to our channel, and today we'll be talking about the top 10 most expensive NFTs ever sold. The pretty picture currency again? Yep, we'll be wowing you yet again with the craziest prices they ever held and were bought too. The NFT art scene has gone viral in recent months, with 9 of the 10 most expensive NFT sales conducted in the last 6 months alone. We've heard of art collectors, but now the new term is NFT collectors. In just the last year, NFTs have shot to the forefront of the crypto space. The cryptographically unique tokens make it possible to create space for digital objects, and artists have seized on the opportunity presented by the technology. Number 10. The complete MF collection, $777,777. We are now extremely familiar with Beeple. The complete MF collection is another of Beeple's masterpieces and features a video of all the other artworks sold as part of its collection. An MF baller-ass box with a certificate of ownership and cleaning cloth, an authentic Beeple hair sample, a QR code that links to BeepleCollect.com and displays additional collector info, and an unboxing session over Zoom with Beeple. This actually made the NFT quite unusual, as it came with a physical token. The token was the most expensive single edition token sold in Beeple's The 2020 collection and was purchased by NFT art collector Tim Kang for $777,777.77. Number 9. Harry, $888,888. Musician, fashion designer, and entrepreneur Steve Aoki recently collaborated with 3D illustrator Anthony Tudisco to produce the eclectic piece known simply as Harry. The NFT features a blue bespectacled creature bopping to one of Aoki's beats in a 36-second clip. It sold for $888,888 in a then record-breaking auction for Nifty Gateway, and entitles the users to an infinite objects physical screen displaying the NFT. All this provided the owner holds the token for 2 weeks post-auction. Groovy, isn't it? Number 8. Not forgotten, but gone. $1 million. Wizby, a contemporary artist in New York City, is the man behind a series of NFTs depicting gummy bears in various creative forms. He is really loved by his fans. When asked why they say he aces in any medium, he picks up. From street art to fine art to museums, public displays, Wizby is everywhere. It seemed only natural for him to try out another medium in NFTs, and we are thrilled with how his collection turned out. His work adjusted brilliantly to the medium and tried something new with animation that Wizby has not done before. Although Wizby was originally known for his gummy bear murals throughout Brooklyn and massive statues spread in public spaces throughout the world, he recently turned his artistic talents to the realm of NFT art. To date, the 16-second video of a golden rotating gummy bear skeleton called Not Forgotten But Gone is the most expensive NFT created by the artist and sold for a hefty $1 million on Nifty Gateway. He also released a similar set of NFTs called Extinction, one of which got recently sold for $250,000. Number 7. CryptoPunk number 4516. $1.3 million. CryptoPunk number 4156 is a punk that managed to net more than $1 million in a public auction. Initially given away for free, some CryptoPunks with particularly rare or desirable features like the blue-skinned pipe-smoking alien that is CryptoPunk number 7804 has gone on to sell for significant sums. This includes CryptoPunk number 1651, which sold for a 6-figure sum in February. Just like the slightly more expensive CryptoPunk number 6965, CryptoPunk number 4156 is a rare ape-type token, but instead sports a blue bandana. According to the Larva Labs website, the average CryptoPunk sold for $25,247 in the last 12 months, making CryptoPunk number 4156 worth the equivalent of 51.5 lesser CryptoPunks. Number 6. Auction winner picks name, $1.33 million. American DJ and dance music producer 3Lau recently collaborated with digital collage artist Slime Sunday to produce Auction Winner Picks Name, which was an NFT that sold for $1.33 million on Nifty Gateway. The NFT includes a music video and dance track and entitled the buyer to choose the name of both the original NFT and the open edition NFTs recently sold on Nifty Gateway. This is a first for an art piece and became quite talked about. Number 5. CryptoPunk number 6965, $1.54 million. The second CryptoPunk on this list, number 6965, sports a funky fedora and an unimpressed expression. It sold for a not-too-shabby $1.54 million in February. The CryptoPunk is one of just 24 ape punks, which is the second rarest punk type after the alien. As of writing, CryptoPunk number 6965 is once again for sale and is listed at 2,100 Ethereum, or $3.42 million. If sold, the seller will net a tidy 122% profit. Number 4. The first tweet, $2.9 million. An NFT version of Twitter co-founder and CEO Jack Dorsey's first tweet, which was the first ever tweet on Twitter, was auctioned throughout March 2021 and finally sold for an eye-popping $2.9 million. The token was minted through a platform known as Valuables, which allows users to craft NFTs that represent their tweets. As part of his philanthropic efforts, Dorsey pledged to immediately convert 100% of the proceeds to Bitcoin before donating it to Africa Response. Number 3. Crossroad, $6.66 million. Crossroad is an NFT created by acclaimed digital artist Beeple. It features anti-Trump messaging and an enlarged Donald Trump-like figure laying in a defeated heap with profanities written across his naked body and people casually strolling past. It didn't always look like that, though. The artwork was designed to change based on the outcome of the 2020 election. Had Trump won, it would have depicted him wearing a crown and striding through flames. Nifty Gateway, a popular marketplace for digital collectibles, brokered the $6.66 million sales of the NFT between its original owner, Twitter user Pablo Rafael, and an anonymous buyer. The NFT was sold just 4 months after it was initially purchased at roughly 10 times its original price. Number 2. CryptoPunk number 7804, $7.5 million. Dylan Field, the CEO of design software company Figma, is behind the sale of the second most expensive NFT in history, which is CryptoPunk number 7804. The NFT sold for a cool 4,200 Ethereum in 2018, at the time worth $7.5 million. Weirdly, the artwork in question was a low-res, algorithmically generated picture of a blue alien wearing a hat and puffing on a pipe. CryptoPunks is a randomly generated set of 10,000 unique digital characters and are some of the first examples of non-fungible tokens released on the Ethereum blockchain. He said he saw how the CryptoKitties concept worked and felt that this would also technically be the same. He said he pushed this for an aggressive price and it clicked when a person named Perusia bought it. That is indeed both surprising and crazy. Number 1. Everydays, the first 5,000 days, $69.3 million. Here we are, the number 1 expensive NFT in the list. Obviously, it would be by Beeple. He will soon be termed the father of NFTs at this rate. The record for the most expensive NFT ever sold and one of the most expensive artworks ever sold goes to Everydays, the first 500 days. The artwork, created by famed digital artist Mike Beeple Winkleman, sold for $69.3 million at Christie's. This was the first time that the venerable auction house has ever sold a purely digital artwork. The NFT represents a collage of 5,000 of Beeple's earlier artworks, demonstrating his development as an artist over the course of his career. It was purchased by Vignesh Metakovan Sundarasan, who initially remained pseudonymous, but later revealed his identity, explaining that the point was to show Indians and people of color that they too could be patrons, that crypto was an equalizing power between the West and the rest, and that the global South was rising. This is quite the statement made by Sundaresan to show Indian awareness of the whole NFT scene. NFTs are not just limited to the West, but are also getting global, which is exactly how it is supposed to work, breaking all geographic borders. The second highest bidder on the piece was none other than Tron CEO and founder Justin Sun, who bid a whopping $60.2 million before getting sniped at the last second by Sundaresan. People were pretty sure he'd be the one at it before the last-minute turn of events. Exciting, isn't it? We sure aren't going to let go of the auction adrenaline anytime soon. 2021 has seen a major uptick in interest around NFTs, with Google search interest in the term reaching its highest ever numbers, and NFT marketplaces like Nifty Gateway and OpenSea having hits in record trading volumes as everyone looks to get grips with this emerging asset class. In fact, we have released a lot of videos about this. But it's not just interest that's increasing. The purchases, mind you, record purchases for these tokens have also been increasing. In the last 6 months, 9 of the 10 most expensive NFTs of all time were sold, demonstrating serious investor appetite. With that in mind, we take a look at the 10 most ridiculously expensive NFTs ever sold, and we'll leave you shaking your heads in wonder. These are the ones that we know, but quite recently another NFT was also sold for a huge price. Paris Hilton, in fact, just sold her debut NFT called Iconic Crypto Queen for $1,111,211. This was launched in collaboration with Blake Catherine. NFTs are sure getting very popular, and before long they may as well replace art auctions. Artists, in fact, say developing NFTs are better for them in the long run, as they tend to directly benefit from the payments, and crypto is global. We are sure more record-breaking purchases will be made, and we just can't wait. So what do you think of NFTs? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more such content, and share it with your friends for interesting discussions. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.